Alright, what's up guys? Just doing the oil change on the car. And just want to tell you a funny story. Well, you know, there's one time I took my car for oil change. And you know, it was the oil probably cost you, if you do it yourself, it's about, if you use full synthetic, it's about 30 with the filter, 36 bucks.
No.
Yeah, so we just did the oil change right here, and yeah, we got a little stain on the lot. But anyhow, one time for 26 bucks I went to get an oil change, and what happening is coming back from Watertown, and coming back, I was listening to the music too loud. I was so happy. I got a great deal, $26 oil change. And what had happened is they didn't screw the plastics back on. I pulled into the dealer. Well, I'm not gonna say which one. I don't want to give no commercials, free ones. And I put into the dealer, and I shouldn't have told them that, you know, I just came back from the other dealer, and because I had the plastic dragging on the ground. Who cares if my car is old? When I came in, it was not dragging on the ground. I just took a highway ride back home. Didn't go too fast, didn't go too slow. And so yeah, that's what $26 oil change gives you. A freaking plastic scraping on your ground. Every time I see that, I'm like, oh wow, that's a discount oil change, you know. So it's best you do it yourself, best you do it right. Get the oil you need, you know. The 020 is for the winter. The 05 and 10 and 40 is for the summer. You know, it's got to be the oil's got to be a little bit waterish, viscous for the summer. I mean, I'm sorry, for the winter, and it's got to be heavier for the summer, because for the winter it needs it to be lighter because it's cold. You know, I'm from the north. With the north, we do changes oil to ourselves, I guess, for now. And until the what was I doing? All right, guys. What do I gotta say?
Change your own.
Change your own oil. Like, share, subscribe. What's the order? Like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.